FTX influencers face $1 billion class action lawsuit over alleged crypto fraud promotion. The suit is led by Edwin Garrison and was filed against FTX influencers primarily on YouTube. Ooh. Well, that includes some big names, I guess. Like, is Tom Brady an FTX influencer? Is he included in that because he did the commercial and whoever else?
On YouTube?
Well, he didn't do it on YouTube, but why are only the YouTube people being targeted?
I guess this is a separate case.
$1 billion. He's seeking $1 billion because they promoted FTX crypto fraud without disclosing compensation. The suit was filed on March 15th in the Southern District of Florida. Kevin Pafraf, Graham Stephen, I know him, Jaspreet Singh, Brian Young, Jeremy Lefebvre, Tom Nash, Ben Armstrong. These are crypto/finance channels on YouTube.
Yeah, not financial advice guys.
This is not financial advice.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah. Though FTX paid defendants handsomely to push its brand and encourage their followers to invest, defendants did not disclose the nature and scope of their sponsorships and or endorsement deals, payments, and compensation, nor conduct adequate, if any, due diligence. The suit is saying, essentially, that these individuals were representing FTX in a nice light, encouraging people to invest, and maybe even implying that they knew that they were involved in fraud. Like, I doubt that. That wouldn't be a very long-term business plan. I think that obviously the FTX thing was a disaster. Probably everyone was trying to create distance at a point, but I don't know that they knew at that moment that it was going to go down. Anyway, Ben Armstrong, better known as BitBoy Crypto, has responded. So CoffeeZilla put the initial post, breaking, YouTubers promoting FTX are being sued in a class action lawsuit claiming $1 billion in damages. And then Ben Armstrong, BitBoy Crypto, says, countersuit coming. The lawyers on this case can't possibly be more stupid. I've never had a contact with anyone at FTX and never even had a ref link. I don't even know what that is. Oh, a referral link.
Yeah.
Show me you are dumb without telling me you are dumb. I'm going to roast these low IQ plebs and their lawyer. Why does that have to get so fiery right away? Yeah. Anyway.
At the 100.
Yeah, they're gonna get because they put my name on this. They're about to get roasted. Okay. Well, listen. I don't know. People are upset. People are reaching for these things because the FTX deal left a lot of people out in the cold, really.
A lot of money was being flung around. Left and right. Front and center.
So we were trying to get some of it back.
Yeah.
In addition, the suit claims the SEC has shown a consistent approach to cryptocurrency and goes on to discuss recent and ongoing cases involving SEC in the crypto industry. The suit is a consolidation of several class action suits, according to the law firm. Garrison suit was filed November 15, 2022, and is the first filed FTX-related case action filed in the country. The firm said Garrison is also a plaintiff in the class action suit filed against alleged celebrity endorsers of FTX as well. So it is two separate suits going on. So he can go for billions from the YouTubers and billions from the Tom Bradys. Mm-hmm. Hey?
The Tom Bradys, yeah.
Well, I think there was more than just Tom Brady involved. I just don't remember who everybody was.
Mm-hmm. Is it Larry?
Was Larry involved? You talking about Larry David?
Larry David.
I feel like Larry David might have been involved over there. Oh, yeah, they're going for him too.